Hello, English learners! Welcome to the Easy English Speaking Podcast, where you listen daily and speak confidently. How do you buy a ticket?
And how do you ask which bus to take?
What do you say to find your stop?
And how do you know when to get off?
What if you get on the wrong train?
And how do you ask for help?
Let's learn these travel phrases today. My name is Jennifer.
And I'm John.
How's it going, John?
Doing well today. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Today's lesson is very practical.
Yes, perfect for travelers.
So, John, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about using public transportation.
Oh, this is so important. Everyone needs to know this.
Absolutely. Buses, subways, and trains are everywhere.
That's right. And today's lesson will help you travel confidently.
Yes, you'll learn how to buy tickets, find routes, and ask for help.
So, if you want to navigate public transit easily, this lesson is perfect for you.
And these phrases work in any city around the world. That sounds great. But before we start, please subscribe to the Easy English Speaking Podcast channel and click the bell icon to get more English speaking practice videos so you never miss a lesson.
Hit the like button to support us. It really motivates us to create more videos for you. Okay, John, let's start with buying tickets.
Yes, this is the first thing you need.
Where do you buy tickets?
At a ticket machine or ticket window.
Right. What do you say at the ticket window?
You say, "I'd like a ticket to downtown, please."
Perfect. Very polite.
You can also say, "One ticket to Main Street, please."
Good. What if you don't know the price?
You ask, "How much is a ticket?"
Or, how much is the fare?
Exactly. Fare means the price of the ticket.
Right. Let's practice buying a ticket.
Good idea. I'll be the ticket agent.
Okay, I need a ticket.
Hello, where are you going today?
I'd like to go to the airport, please.
Okay, one way or round trip?
What's the difference?
One way is just going. Round trip is going and coming back.
Oh, I need round trip, please.
That's $20.
$20. Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your ticket. Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Yes, very clear conversation.
Notice I explained one way and round trip.
Right, that's important vocabulary.
Now, let's try buying from a ticket machine.
Yes, machines are very common.
What do you do first?
First, you select your destination.
Right. Then you choose one way or round trip.
And then you pay.
Exactly. Let's practice reading a machine.
Okay, I'll describe what I see.
Go ahead.
It says, select destination.
Touch the screen where you want to go.
Okay, I selected downtown.
Now it should ask about one way or round trip.
Yes, it says one way or round trip.
Which do you want?
I think about one way.
Tap one way.
Done. Now it says insert money or card.
You can use cash or a credit card.
I'll use my card.
Great. Take your ticket and receipt.
Perfect. Got it.
See? Machines are easy.
Yes, just follow the instructions.
Now let's talk about transit cards.
Oh, what are those?
They're reloadable cards for public transportation.
Like a prepaid card?
Exactly. You put money on the card.
And then you use it for rides and trains.
Yes, just tap the card when you board.
That sounds convenient.
It is. Many cities have these cards.
How do you get one?
You buy them at ticket windows or machines.
Let's practice getting a transit card.
Okay, I'll ask for one.
I'm the ticket agent.
Excuse me, I'd like to buy a transit card.
Sure. The card costs $5.
Is that just for the card?
Yes. Then you add money for rides.
Oh, how much should I add?
Most people add $20 or $30.
I'll add $30, please.
So that's $35 total. 5 for the card, 30 for rides.
Here you go.
Perfect. Here's your card. Tap it when you board.
Thank you.
Great.
Great.
Yes, very helpful conversation.
Transit cards save time.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about asking for route information.
Yes, this is so important. Right, you need to know which bus or train to take.
How do you ask about routes?
You say, which bus goes to the library?
Perfect. Or does this bus go to Main Street?
Yes, both are great questions.
Who do you ask?
You can ask bus drivers, station workers, or other passengers.
Let's practice asking a bus driver.
Okay, I'll be getting on the bus.
I'm the driver.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the hospital?
No, you need the number 12 bus.
Where can I find that?
Across the street at stop B.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See, the driver told me which bus.
Yes, and where to find it. Now you ask about a subway line.
Okay, I'll ask a station worker.
Go ahead.
Excuse me, which train goes to downtown?
Take the red line.
Where's the red line platform?
Downstairs, platform 3.
Platform 3. Got it. Thank you.
No problem.
Perfect.
Yes, always ask if you're unsure.
Better to ask than get lost.
Exactly. Now let's talk about understanding schedules.
Yes. When does the bus come?
Most stops have schedule signs.
What do they show?
They show the times buses arrive.
Like every 10 minutes or specific times?
Both. Depends on the route.
How do you ask about the schedule?
You say, "What time does the next bus come?"
Perfect. Let's practice.
Okay, ask me about the bus schedule.
Excuse me, what time does the next bus come?
Let me look. In 5 minutes.
Oh, good. Not too long.
No, you're lucky.
Thank you.
Now ask about frequency.
How often does this bus run?
Every 15 minutes during the day.
What about at night?
At night, every 30 minutes.
Ah, less frequent at night.
Exactly.
Good to know.
Yes, schedules change throughout the day.
So we've talked about buying tickets, transit cards, and checking schedules.
Right. Now let's talk about boarding and riding.
Yes, getting on the bus or train.
First, you need to find the right stop or platform.
Right. How do you find it?
Look for signs with the route number or train line.
Like bus 42 or blue line?
Exactly.
What do you do when the bus arrives?
Wait for people to get off first.
Oh, let them exit before boarding.
Yes, that's polite.
Then you board and pay or tap your card.
Right. Let's practice boarding a bus.
Okay, the bus is arriving.
I'll wait for people to get off.
Excuse me, getting off.
Sure.
Good morning.
Good morning. One ticket to Fifth Avenue, please.
That's $3.
Here you go.
Thank you. Find a seat.
Thanks.
Perfect.
Yes, very natural boarding.
Now let's talk about finding a seat.
Sometimes buses are crowded.
Right. What do you say if you need a seat?
You can ask, is this seat taken?
Perfect. Very polite.
If someone's bag is on the seat?
You say, "Excuse me, may I sit here?"
Great. Let's practice.
Okay, I'll ask for a seat.
I'm sitting on the bus.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Easy.
Yes, people are usually friendly.
Now what about standing?
If it's crowded, you might have to stand.
What do you hold on to?
The poles or overhead handles.
For safety.
Yes, so you don't fall when the bus moves.
That makes sense.
Now let's talk about asking passengers for help.
Yes, other passengers can help.
Right, you can ask them questions.
Like what?
Like, does this train stop at Central Station?
Or could you tell me when we get to the museum?
Perfect. Let's practice asking a passenger.
Okay, I'll ask for help.
I'm a passenger.
Excuse me, does this bus stop at the library?
Yes, it does. In about 10 minutes.
Oh, great, thank you.
No problem.
See? Quick and easy.
Yes. Now try asking someone to notify you.
Okay, you ask me.
Excuse me, could you let me know when we reach Park Street?
Sure, I'll tell you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Perfect.
Yes, people are happy to help.
Now, let's talk about announcements.
Oh, what do they say?
Things like, next stop is Main Street.
Or, please stand clear of the closing doors?
Exactly, those are common.
What does stand clear mean?
It means move away from the doors.
Oh, so you don't get caught.
Right. Let's practice listening to announcements.
Okay, I'll be the announcement.
I'm listening.
Next stop, Central Station. Doors will open on the right.
Okay, Central Station is next. Doors on the right.
Continuing, please move to the center of the car.
I'll move to make room.
Final announcement, stand clear of the closing doors.
I'm clear.
Good.
Yes, it's important to listen to announcements.
They tell you what to do.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about getting off.
Excited. Yes. How do you know when to get off?
Listen for your stop announcement.
Or watch the signs inside?
Yes, many trains have electronic signs.
What do you do when it's your stop?
I think press the stop button or pull the cord.
On buses, right?
Yes, buses have stop request buttons.
What about trains?
Trains stop at every station automatically.
Oh, no button needed.
Right. Let's practice requesting a stop.
Okay, I'll request my stop.
The bus is moving.
Oh, there's my street.
What do you do?
I press the stop button.
Stop requested.
Now I move toward the door.
Next stop.
Thank you, driver.
Have a good day.
Perfect.
Yes, always thank the driver if you can.
It's polite.
Absolutely. Oh, we have a question from a listener.
Great. Who is it?
It's from Yuki in Japan.
Wonderful. What does she ask?
She asks, what do I do if I get on the wrong bus?
Oh, that's a great question, Yuki.
Don't panic, just get off at the next stop.
Right. Then ask for directions.
You can ask which bus goes to find the right one.
Or ask the driver when you board the next bus.
Exactly. Everyone makes this mistake sometimes.
Thanks for the question, Yuki.
Yes, great question.
Now let's talk about transfers.
Oh, what's a transfer?
It's when you change from one bus or train to another.
To reach your destination.
Exactly. Some trips need 2 buses or trains.
How do you know if you need a transfer?
You can ask, do I need to transfer?
Or use a transit map or app.
Yes, apps are very helpful.
What do you say when transferring?
You ask, where do I transfer to the blue line?
Perfect. Let's practice asking about transfers.
Okay, I'll ask the driver.
I'm driving.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the zoo?
No, you need to transfer to bus number 7.
Where do I transfer?
Get off at Oak Street and catch the 7 there.
Oak Street, got it. Do I need another ticket?
No, your ticket includes 1 transfer.
Oh, good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, the driver explained everything.
Yes, including that the transfer is free.
That's important information.
Very. Now let's practice a complete subway trip.
Great idea, from start to finish.
I'll be taking the subway to the museum.
Okay, I'll be different people helping you.
At the station, excuse me, which train goes to the museum?
As a worker, take the red line to Central, then transfer to the green line.
Understanding. Red line to Central, then green line. Thank you.
You're welcome.
At the ticket machine, I need a ticket to the museum.
As helpful passenger, need help?
Yes, please. How do I buy a ticket?
As showing, select your destination here, then choose one way.
Okay. Now it says $6.
As instructing, insert your money or card here.
Paying. Done. Got my ticket.
As encouraging, great. Platform 2 for the red line.
Thank you so much.
As announcement, next stop, Central Station. Transfer to green line available.
Preparing. This is my stop. I need to transfer.
As exiting, excuse me, where's the green line?
As passenger, follow the green signs. Down the stairs.
As finding, I see them. Thank you.
As on green line, asking, excuse me, does this stop at the museum?
As passenger, yes, 2 more stops.
Perfect. Thanks.
As announcement, next stop, museum station.
As preparing, this is me. Time to get off.
As exiting, made it.
Excellent. Complete subway journey.
Yes, with buying tickets, transferring, and asking for help.
Very realistic.
Now, let's review what we learned.
Good idea. We covered so much.
First, we talked about buying tickets
Right, at machines or ticket windows.
and transit cards.
Yes, for multiple rides.
We learned how to ask about routes.
Which bus goes to, and does this train stop at?
Then we covered schedules and frequency.
How often buses and trains run?
We practiced boarding politely,
Right. Wait for others to exit first.
finding seats and asking passengers for help.
Is this seat taken? And could you tell me when we reach?
We learned about announcements,
Next stop is, and stand clear of the doors.
getting off at the right stop,
Haha, and what to do if you're on the wrong bus or train.
plus transfers.
Yes, changing from one line to another.
This lesson helps you travel anywhere.
Absolutely. Very practical phrases.
We have a quick question for our English learners. What public transportation do you use in your city? Tell us below. And thank you so much for joining us today.
Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. We hope you found this lesson helpful and learned something new.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Easy English Speaking podcast channel for more English learning videos. And click the notification bell icon so you never miss a new lesson.
Also, leave a comment below and tell us what travel topic should we teach next.
We'd love to hear from you. Your feedback helps us create better lessons for you.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to fluency.
Until next time, take care and happy learning. See you in the next video.